For stampers in more than 90 countries around the globe, the name Minster has become synonymous with reliable, innovative, world-class machinery. Founded in 1896, Minster has a rich history of manufacturing technology and is known for many first-impress designs. Our broad product portfolio enables us to support stampers in nearly all metal forming segments with a variety of unique solutions to match their exact needs. Each product is proven through a dedicated applied research and engineering process to ensure that our rigid expectations are met. From our rugged designs to applied research, Nidec Minster is able to deliver high production machinery, returning our customers improved part quality and increased profits. Through Nidec Press and Automation, we offer total system solutions integrated by our proprietary controls and Industry 4.0 software, all while being backed by our global service network that is with you whenever, wherever business takes you. At Minster, we believe it's not just equipment. Our machines are assets that will last a lifetime and beyond, delivering consistent performance and low lifetime cost of ownership. Our customers say it best: with Minster, it just runs.